Hi, friends. How are you? Fine. So, nowadays, you know very well, it's rainy season and it's raining heavily everywhere, no matter it's Bhopal, where I live, or any other city of India like Punjab, anywhere. But no matter how the weather is, there are some work which never stop. Am I right? Out of these work, there is one work that never stops, and I'm fed up. I'm sick of that, and that is eating water balls. Do you know about water balls? Golgappe, gupchup, like that. Sometimes I feel, why does government not make it a national savory? As we have got national fruit, we have got national flower, we have got national animal, like that. We should announce water balls as national savory, because momo and water balls, both of them are quite famous among women of India. But here I'm talking about water balls. Sometimes I think that if there had not been water balls, what would have happened? Am I right? But what to do? It's there. And sometimes ago, I just tell you the true incident. It had been raining for 2 days, right? Before I made this video, right? So every day, my wife was telling me, "Look, while coming, right? Please bring some water bowls for me, and not from anywhere, from a specific shop." And I always tell her, why do you want to buy from only this, street vendor? Why don't you want to take it from a very good shop? Like there are some good shops, like here in Bhopal, there is one Manohar Dairy. I like it there. I like everything from that place. But I have seen they are ready to eat anything at very big hotel. But when you talk about, right? But when you talk about the things, what we say, water bowls, all these things, they want to go only where? The street vendor. And if you ask them, why are you not taking from there? Taste is not there. And here it's tasty. But do you know how do they make? No, I don't know. So what can we do? If I tell them the process, it happens only outside of Bhopal, not in Bhopal. In Bhopal, all the street vendors are very, very good. I said, okay, if you feel so, it's okay. So now what happens once? What happens once my wife and I decided to go for shopping, right? So we went shopping. It was Sunday. So my son was with me. He was in my lap. He was in my lap because he was around 2 years old. So now we reached there. That time I didn't have the car, so I had gone by auto. So we reached there. We started doing the shopping, and meanwhile, when we were walking, one of my friends called me. Right? So I got busy in that call. Like this. And while talking, I came out of the street, that main street where we were shopping. And it happens. So when I finished my talking, I was surprised. My wife was not with me. I got shocked, very shocked, because that time she was new to this city. It was hardly just 6 months. Yes, Hardly 1 year ago, when she came to Bhopal, and she didn't know about the city very well. So I just went back, and what I see, she was standing in front of a water bottle shop, and she was doing like this. I said, "Baby." She said, "Look, I feel like having water balls." Okay, that's okay. You feel like having water, but just see the public. What will they think? She said, "Nobody will think anything. All women are chipped of the same blow. Right? All of them do like this. But like this, what is this?" She said, "What to do? I can't help it." Why? Whenever I see water balls, my mouth waters. Hole hole hole. Have you heard the song? जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले होले होले. The same thing he said. Whenever I see water balls, my mouth waters. Hole hole hole. Slowly, 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 slowly. Does it also happen with you? Right? I said, "Okay, but please control your tongue, because both places your tongue is very much out. At home also it comes out a lot when you want to argue with me, and here also you are not able to control your tongue. So please control your tongue, baby." She said, "Okay." After that, I asked her, "Okay, tell me, baby, how many water balls?" She said, "As much as you have got money." There is no limit. No, I can eat a lot until you ask me to stop. I said, "Okay, let's go." So she started eating water balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. My son was in my lap, and it happens by in the beginning, child is close to his mother. So when he saw that mother is standing nearby me and she is eating, but she's not asking me at all. Even she forgot that she has one child, but she was busy. So my child started crying, "Mama, Mama." Right? But she said to me, "What is this? Huh? Just have it in a good way. Just you go away from here." Right? He can't let me eat in water balls in a good way. Right? And you can't hold him for 2 minutes extra. I said, "Okay, baby, just to keep eating." I said to the street vendor, "Look, bhaiya, let her eat how many water balls she wants to eat. When she finishes, right, I'll give you money." He said, "Okay." After that, I went for a walk with my son so that he should not disturb my wife. After 5 or 7 minutes, she calls me, "Babu, it's over." I said, "Okay." I asked her, "How many?" She said, "I don't know, you just ask him." So he said to me, "So 110. So I asked her, "Madam, is your appetite full?" Yeah. She said, "Okay, my appetite is completely full." Okay. So I asked her, "How much you had?" "How much you had?" She said, "I've had my fill. Yeah. Completely it is full. So I've had my fill. So I've had my fill of water balls. I've had my fill of water balls." I said, "Okay, now let's go." Right? She said, "Okay." But as soon as she starts walking, and she said, "Babu, let's go home." Again, why? Just now we have come, only half an hour ago we came and you started eating water balls. He said, "No, Babu, actually now I feel that my stomach is rumbling. Babu, my stomach is rumbling. I feel like, hugging." "Hugging?" "Yes, I feel like hugging." So I said to her, "Okay, hug me." Right? So she said, "Hugging means this one hugging." Oh, as I'm a teacher of English, so I know English of hug, this like this, to embrace somebody in your arms. But she didn't know English of that, this one hugging. She said, "Babu, I feel like hugging, right? I said, baby, it's very hard for us to go such far home, right? It's long, it's very long distance. She said, Babu, it's coming, please, Babu, let me go, otherwise I will hug here. I said, hug nahi, I will poop here, otherwise I will defecate here. But Babu, please. I said, look, in Bhopal, there is one thing that's called Sulabh Shauchalaya. If you want, we can go there. She said, look, Babu, no, I'm cynic. If it is dirty, I will not be able to hug in a good way. I said, hug nahi, defecate. Say defecate. She said, yeah. I'll not be able to defecate. But I said, but it's better to defecate here than poop in your pants. Right? She said, okay. She went inside, and after that, for around 15 minutes, she came outside. I said, have you defecated? Yeah, I have defecated. I had my fill of defecating. It means that completely, as much as you wanted, I hugged, not defecated. So as much as I wanted, I hugged. So I said to her, listen, baby, from today onwards, control it. And if you feel that I had to take water bowls a lot there, or if next time if you want if you want to have water bowls and this much as you have eaten today, so please wear Huggies and always come with Huggies, or if so that after having water bowls, if you feel like hugging, like not defecating, you feel like defecating, so you can you can defecate in your Huggies, and I will not have to be embarrassed in front of public. Okay, baby? Right? So how do you find it? Tell me. Thank you very much.